Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The strong man is not the one who can wrestle, but the strong man is the one who can control his anger." Hadith from Sahih al-Bukhari. This hadith emphasizes the importance of self-control, particularly in moments of anger. It also highlights that true strength lies not in physical prowess, but in the ability to manage one's emotions and reactions. Overall, in this hadith, the Prophet ﷺ teaches us that controlling anger is a sign of a strong character and a key aspect of a Muslim's spiritual growth. And by mastering our temper, we as Muslims can avoid harming others and maintain healthy relationships. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.